Students, today our topic is biotechnology. Biotechnology means living forms. Bio means living forms and technology means techniques for manipulation of living forms. So basically for UPSC there are 2 to 3 questions every year from biotechnology. Now biotechnology could be divided in many branches and any of the branch could be your one way or the other included in the optional subject of UPSC exam. Now let's learn the introductory part. Biotechnology. Definition: application of science that is used for improving the quality of life by biological processes or manipulating natural habitat of living organisms. So, जब भी हमें कोई लिविंग फॉर्म का जिस भी नेचुरल हैबिटेट में वो रह रहा है उसको अलग अलग कंडीशंस में मैनिपुलेट करते हैं यूजिंग सम टूल्स और एनीथिंग for improving the lifestyle of human beings is included under biotechnology. Next है हमारा types of biotechnology. There are different types of biotechnology, but for UPSC the main technology of biotechnology is green because it is totally related to agriculture. Now let's start with types of biotechnology. Green biotechnology means agriculture. That could be plant tissue culture, plant genetic engineering, makes plant weedicides and drought tolerant. Example BT cotton. Now, first is plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture is a process in which the different tissues of the plants are taken and manipulated like using some tools, and then the chemicals are injected making plants totally different and modified. So this is plant tissue culture. Like the same way plant genetic engineering, that means the genes of the plants are manipulated and different types of machines are used, makes plants weedicides and drought tolerant. So medicines and different types of chemicals are used which makes the seeds crop resistance of like weeds. Such weedicides makes them drought tolerant also. PT cotton, that is biotechnology cotton. Bollworm, the thing which is the type of organism that manipulates or destroys the good crops of cottons, is when come near the BT cotton is unable to destroy the BT cotton because BT cotton is the modified cotton form of the plant cotton. So BT cotton is basically biotechnology cotton. It is very useful. Next is red biotechnology, that is totally related to medical sciences like innovative drugs, vaccines, antibiotics and stem cell theory. Innovative drugs are prepared, vaccines are prepared, antibiotic medicines and stem cell theory, these all are the modifications of medical sciences using red biotechnology. Third is blue biotechnology. Now that is related to sea resources, marine organisms, freshwater organisms, and it is for industrial uses mainly because marine organisms is used as a food resource on the people living in hilly areas, and freshwater organisms used as a food resources for the people in foreign abroad. So marine organisms are manipulated and different types of tools are used on them that make them for good health to eat. So freshwater organisms and industrial uses, and industries produce them as a manufactured food for delivery which is delivered directly to your home. Fifth is white biotechnology, that is related to industrial processes like enzymes, catalysts, bacteria and yeast, which is mainly used for dairy products. So white as a milk and dairy products. We are using different types of enzymes to uh, assess to different types of biochemical reactions in the industries using catalyst, bacteria and yeast. So white plate technology means industrial processes. Next, fifth, yellow biotechnology that is related to insects or sometimes it could be referred to as food developer. So both are by default is good. It could be related to insects or food, and insects provide food, example like honeybee. Grey biotechnology that is related to environmental use, biodiversity and removal of pollutants. So in environment we have to keep in mind about different things like conservation of biodiversity, pollutions, and about plants, animals, ecosystem, food chain, food web, and everything. So, grey biotechnology deals with such issues. Now, next is brown biotechnology that is related to managing arid or desert zone. As we know, example Rajasthan desert, that is the desert area, is facing drought problem every year. So growing crop there is impossible. But many areas have grown their own techniques to grow seeds in such areas. That is possible using brown biotechnology, making drought resistant seeds, agricultural techniques, and as a result there will be natural management resources. So these all things are included in brown biotechnology where the soil is not so much fertile and faces very less water. Next is violet biotechnology that is related to law, ethical and philosophical issues. Many times biotechnology faces this era where the law and legalness of using any type of technology is has to be granted. So directly or indirectly biotechnology or before using the techniques of biotechnology one has to gain the permission using the law for any ethical or philosophical maintenance for their experimental endeavors. Then dark biotechnology. So dark biotechnology is related to bioterrorism. Yes, if we know biotechnology is very useful for human quality of human life, so it could be as harsh for us to live because if once it had been created and been experimentally used or practically involved in the people, then it could be very harsh if it's not for our good. Biological weapons are created, biowarfares have been done, toxins, diseases, disabilities, death. Example coronavirus. Yes, coronavirus is like dark bio produced and it is under dark biotechnology. Why? Because coronavirus, as we know, virus is a parasitic living form. Hmm? So, if the living form, one way or the other, is converted and modified using technology, biotechnology, for producing any of these like diseases, disabilities, or death, then it is under bioterrorism because directly or indirectly it is harmful for human beings. So, for our next video, like and subscribe.